Hi everyone, we're going to find the sum of the series. It's a telescope series. We have k equals 1 to 10 of 1 divided by 2k plus 2 times 2k plus 4. So let's figure out what we have in the denominator here. Let's just look at that. If you combine this would be 4k squared plus 8k plus 4k plus 8. So this is 12k. You factor out a 4, you would get k squared plus 3k plus 2. So I can write this as the sum of k equals 1, and then we have that 4, so it's going to be 1/4 times 1 divided by, and if I factor this would be k plus 1 times k plus 2. Now, using partial fraction decomposition, I can write this, bring this 1/4 out, our constant, and write this as k. This goes to 10. K equals 1 to 10. And then I'm going to do a divided by k plus 1 plus b divided by k plus 2. Now, I'm assuming you know how to do partial fraction decomposition, so I'm going to do this very quickly. So basically, this is what we have, and we're going to set this equal to 1, because we have 1 in the numerator. So we have 1 equals, and what I'm going to do is cross multiply here. So when you clear the fractions, and you have this equals this, you multiply through by k plus 1 times k plus 2, you're going to get a times k plus 2 plus b times k plus 1. If we let k equal negative 2, we're going to get 1 equals negative b, so b is negative 1. And if we let k equal negative 1, the b's go away, so we're going to get 1 equals a, so a is 1. So therefore, my new summation is going to be 1/4 times the sum from k equals 1 to 10 of my a was 1, so that's 1 divided by k plus 1 minus 1 divided by k plus 2. Now from here, what we're going to do is go ahead and write out some terms. So let's write out our first term and just keep this 1/4 out for a while. So if you plug in 1, you're going to get 1/2 minus 1/3. Okay, then plus, we're doing the sum. For a sub 2, that would be, 1/3 minus 1/4. Let's do one more. If we have another one, say a sub 3, that would be 1/4 minus 1/5, and so on. Now we're going to the 10th term. So this would be plus dot 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 plus 1 divided by 11 minus 1 divided by 12. And this would be your 10th term. All right, now the telescoping part, remember telescope, it collapses on itself. So basically what cancels out is these two cancel out, these two cancel out. This is going to cancel out with this next term here, and this is going to cancel out with the term before it. So basically you're left with 1/2 minus 1/12. So therefore, all we have to do is take 1/4 times 1/2 minus 1/12. And this is going to be 1/4. And if you do this, it's going to be 6/12 minus 1/2. All right, this is going to equal 1/4 times 5/12. And this is going to equal 5 divided by 48. And that's your sum. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.